The chuck for your drill press will accept up to a 5/8 inch shaft and attaches to the press by a number 3 Jacobs taper. It includes a new chuck key. The chuck adjusts open and close to securely hold a drill bit, allowing you to use a variety of different sizes. There are 3 jaws in the chuck that clamp against the drill bit. After years of hard use, these jaws will wear and your drill bit might begin to slip in the chuck. When this happens, it's time to replace the chuck. Replacing the chuck is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by lowering the quill all the way down and securing it with the lock nut on the depth stop assembly. Now I can begin removing the chuck. The chuck is secured to the spindle with a taper. To remove the taper from the spindle, I'll use a drift punch. The drill press came with a drift punch just for this purpose. If you've lost it or don't have it, you can buy these from online specialty tool shops. I'll place the drift punch through the opening in the quill and the spindle, and then tap it with a hammer until the chuck comes free. Now I need to remove the taper from the chuck. To do that, I'll take a punch, insert it through the chuck's jaws. Now I'm going to tap this whole assembly against my vise, and that'll pop the taper out of the chuck. I'm wearing a glove as I do this, just so I don't get pinched by the punch. Now I can install the new chuck. It's important that there's no oil or debris on either milled surface on the shaft or the chuck. I've adjusted the chuck so the jaws are up inside the chuck body. I'll place this on the flat surface on my vise. Then I'll insert the taper into the chuck and secure it with a rubber mallet. Now this assembly can go into the drill. I'll release the quill so it can go back up into the press. And again, I'll clean both machine surfaces and then insert the taper on the chuck back into the spindle. As I insert the chuck into the spindle, this thin piece on the top of the taper needs to align with the press. You'll be able to feel it as you install it. Rotate it around until it engages, like that. And then again, with the jaws up into the chuck body, I'll use my rubber mallet to secure it to the press. And the new chuck is ready for use. And now you know how to install a new chuck on your drill press. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.